Good morning, guys. Now, delete us as a mother. Lipit. Cleaning tayo. So, Sophia she already goes to school. Now, it's my time to clean the house. Tingnan yung bugas ang kalat. Too much mess. In the morning, I cannot clean because I need to prepare Sophia for the school. I need to cook food, etc., etc. Now only in the morning, after the school of Sophia, we prepare. Ligpit muna! Kumusta lahat? How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing good. Yeah. You're doing good, and then after, thank you. So guys, too much of Sophia. Too much kalat po. Here today is no more ice now, see? I don't know where she puts no more ice. This is all gift. This is gift also when Sophia 2 years old. Oh, that was also the same with 2 years old. This is all gift for her auntie. And then this one gift for her Mama Janet. This. Every time always here in the bed. Because Sophia, she wants to sleep. Yan. Yan, walis-walis na tayo, guys. Ay, naku. How are you guys? How are you doing? Hopefully, everything is good. Kumusta ang lahat? Hopefully, everything good. Everything doing well. Every day, this is my daily task as a mother. Diba, guys? Mamsi, shout out sa mga mamsi there, out there. Ito ang life. Life natin. Proud to all mother. Shout out po. See guys, I will show you. This is our bedroom. I'm done. Ito lang guys. Together with the stuff of Sophia, I'm done cleaning here. And then the right side, I put the snake plant. I put inside the room. And then see, look guys, what my baby does. See, she told that Barbie's new house here. She put in this area. And then now we go in this is our room, tiny room. And then we go in our sala living room. See guys, it's the one I told you is totally messy. And then plus raining outside. Now I need to clean up here. This is my, after the Sophia go to school, clean up. I need to broom. And outside also, oh my God, today guys, it's raining. Every day it's raining here. And then my husband already go in Bairawa because her mother needed some alone here. I'm alone, cleaning, Mr. Lonely. If no kids, guys, it's, oh my god, it's too much silent in the house. If Sophia is here, she will do this, do that. Time to time, she will do mess. But it's okay. As long she is happy, no problem. As long she's happy for making mess, no worries. Sometimes, oh, Sophia, you do cleaning. Also start cleaning. I will try to practice Sophia for cleaning. Outside it's raining, guys. I will pick up only from here. So much raining outside. My gosh, my gulay. In Philippines, guys, it's still raining or what? In Cebu, as per my family, yesterday it's raining in Cebu. Sabi ng ate ko that yesterday it's raining. I don't know today it's no, because recently we already off. Like I'm not missed because 24/7 we are chatting with my family. Especially the Sophia when go to school. 5 o'clock, start calling my sister until like recently already we finished chatting and then later again continue chatting. Time to time chatting. Ito, kunin ko na dito because I will not put outside. It's too much on. I make it from this one. I put plastic in. Then after I do map. Then after, lagay ko, ninuha ko na lang dito, guys. I pick up because outside is too much rain. Not too much, so non-stop. When Sophia go to school, his daddy dropping because yesterday I'm the one drop. And then today, supposed to be his daddy will drop in the scooty, but unfortunately it's raining. Now it's a map time. It's nap time. Sophia clean. The house is clean. The house is ready for mango for Sophia. She's very maarte. She's very maarte, guys. She will ask, Mommy, why did not clean this? Ginawa na akong katulong sa Sophia. Why you do cleaning? Why like that? Ay, nako. And then soon her exam is coming. First political test exam. That's why now we are not allowing her to play. She need to focus for her study. clean up. See guys, you hear that? The raining. Rain gently fall. Oh my God, it's falling down. And all the color guys, that's full dry. Color. Lumipad na. So tayo sa labas na. After this, I think it's wet the floor. That's why it's wet for the floor guys. See, it's easy for me here. Very easy to watch this Sophia. See, I want to show you guys our wedding in Nepal. So this is our wedding. I think when this one, when we vacation, we came in Dubai. I think 2014 this one. 2014 because his family that we want the wedding of Nepali tradition. That's why we go in the temple, we get wedding. Because in Dubai, we get already wedding. It's in the Catholic Church. This is the sari. See, this is the one that, if you get married, the Nepali man should be here. This is my costume sari. And then one more, this. All I changed 2 times. The one sari and the one is named, this one is lenga. This is only sponsored with my Chaima. When I come here 2014, they want all eager to get the Nepali wedding. That's why my Chaima buy me this one and the other one, and then I remember I go also in the parlor. She also allowed me, and then with mommy. And then we eat only family only. No invitation, only family member. See, this is the one. Now we display here. And then here also, one of my husband here. And the solo one, my husband. And then, of course, your trolley. Sana all also. Siksi pa kayo kuya tayo. Oh, siksi pa. Ang ilong. Cute kaya oh, ako may, what is name? Manipuan. Now I'm done cleaning here, and then I need to clean in the outside. Outside guys, see I have my bodyguard here. All of them, they always come this side. Now, this is my laundry. I put already together with the sabon, soap, and then later I will do hand wash. Actually, there's a story for this become a swimming pool of Sophia. Before, I think during the COVID time, we do the selling of chicken in that area, that corner, which we use now for the prayer. And then here we make it live fish. But unfortunately, it's COVID, due to the COVID, no sales, all down. That's why we shut down. And then now we make only during the summer for Sophia and us also. Even big, we can make it. Recently, we came already, this Bella and Mona, they came here to take shower, to take the swimming. Now, because it's raining, I use here, I just put the clothes with the soap, and then later I will do hand wash. And then here also, see, recently already I think, this is happening. I just broom only light because actually I already clean, but this see my dog, they like only here. Actually they have a house. No, I already use for pato because they don't like to go there. They have their own house. See, this is the house. No, I use for pato only. It's raining, guys. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. See, diba? Rain, rain, rain pa more. This is my day today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. God bless. Thank you to my new subscriber and old subscriber. Thank you so much for supporting us. I love you all. God bless all. Bye-bye. Be kind. Love you. Much love, 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 love. Bye.